Is there anything I can try?
Oh my gosh, can you guys please try the buffalo egg rolls? Because
absolutely.
everyone was making fun. Don't just grab one, because some of them are really freaking hot.
Can I grab this first?
Yes. This is all for snacking, so you can eat what you want, whenever you want. That's the point. But I want you guys to try an egg roll. And if you guys don't like it, it's fine. You know what I mean? Is it good? I actually haven't tried those.
Oh, here we go. I see.
This one might be hot, but
Sorry.
it's better hot. Let me just scrape this off and I'll cut it for you guys. Just in case you don't have to commit to an entire egg roll.
Is there an explosion in your mouth right now?
I was so hungry.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh my God, he's not kidding.
Did I say this one?
It's so good.
Okay, we're gonna try this egg roll. I'll cut it in half for you guys. Ooh, she squirt. Okay.
Holy shit, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, so be careful.
This sandwich is so good.
Is it good? Okay. Woo, slay. There we go.
Ooh, oh, this is so fire.
Yay, I'm glad. I don't know if the guy ended up bringing ranch. I think he ended up forgetting ranch because he was trying to bring me some other shit, so we don't have any dipping sauce. But I can pack some mayo and mustard if you guys want some for the Italian sandwiches later.
Oh shit.
It's hot. It's hot.
No, it exploded.
It really came on me.
Sorry. Did it bust?
Yeah. Ow.
I try to get a not so hot one, but they're kind of like pockets of heat for a while.
That's so hot.
I'm so sorry.
Hold on, I gotta wait. This one was insane. I bit and it just like splashed onto me.
Good morning. Today's gonna be a great stream. Chat, I also went ahead, I got Josh a variety of chips. So we got the chips.
Hell yes.
Yes,
You
very
are
nice.
the best.
And then we got some, I already ate one because I needed something. I got some Rice Krispies and some little kind bars. So we can all like eat today. But I'll pack those up in like some
What the
Ziplocs.
fuck? Yo,
What, the buffalo? Oh,
what
no,
the
he's not
fuck
eating-
is
not
this?
eating it. Is it actually that good, or are you just saying that?
No.
I'm that hungry.
Okay.
That's good.
This is fire too.
Okay, I guess I'll try it.
Holy shit.
You know when you like been cooking for a long time? I want a small one. Okay, I'll get a little tiny. She's a little wet.
Which camera do I show? This one?
That one doesn't really focus too much. You just gotta
This is so
get
good.
everybody's head out of the way.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's so
The
good.
butter is pretty good on that.
Oh yeah.
I cannot believe you did this. This is fire. Did you make these?
It wasn't that big of a deal.
These?
You like, I just mixed up some like cream cheese, mozzarella, shredded chicken, and buffalo sauce, and you roll them in the egg rolls and fry them.
I'm not gonna lie. If we had this day one, while building the house, bed houses, we would have only needed one day. Ooh.